In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Canva. We'll start from a ready-made design and end with polished curved lettering that looks intentional and balanced. Begin by opening Canva and choosing a template that fits your project. Picking a template sets the right canvas size and gives you helpful layout guides, but a blank canvas works too if you prefer to build from scratch. The key is simply getting into the editor with a design open. Add a text box to your design. You can do this from the text option in the toolbar, selecting a heading, subheading, or body style depending on how prominent you want the words to be. If you like shortcuts, pressing T drops a text box onto the canvas instantly. Type the words you want to curve. Keep the text on a single line for the smoothest, most predictable arc. This is also the perfect time to pick your font, weight, and basic size. Different fonts curve differently. Bold, wider letter forms often look great with stronger arcs, while narrow or script fonts shine with gentler bends. Resize the text to roughly the size you want by dragging a corner handle. Corner handles preserve proportions and keep your letters looking crisp. You don't need perfection yet. You'll fine-tune after the curve is applied. Reposition the text to where the arc should sit in your composition. Drag it into place and use Canva's smart guides to center it or align it with other elements so it feels anchored in the layout. With the text selected, open Effects in the top toolbar. This reveals style options designed specifically for text. Choose Curve. Canva instantly bends your line of text into an arc, giving you a live preview on the canvas. Adjust the curve slider to dial in the shape. Sliding to the right creates an upward rainbow-style arch. Sliding to the left creates a downward arc. Small values make subtle curves that are great for headings. Larger values create tight arcs that work well for seals or badges. Move slowly and watch how letter spacing visually changes as the curve tightens. Open advanced settings for finer control. Increase letter spacing to give each character a bit more room along the arc, which prevents crowding near the center and keeps the curve readable. If the text starts to feel too airy, nudge the spacing back down. A few clicks here can make a dramatic difference. Finally, refine the size and position again so the curved line complements nearby graphics. If anything looks distorted, reduce the curve slightly and compensate with a touch more letter spacing. That's all you need to create clean, professional curved text in Canva, ready for your design.